Yes, so these fish are so fat. I'm gonna do sweet and sour fish with them. You need to try it. It's nice. However, I'm sitting down and I think about something and you see, in this life, you have some kind of people. But I always hear people talk about them on social media. But it's when you have them in your life, it's a it's a different thing because you have to deal with them directly. You feel me? So them kind of people here, it's like them have a pattern how them do things. And them always insult your intelligence. Them always think say you're stupid. One one because of forgiving. Two because you don't call them out on it. You see, if you try to talk to them about certain things, them get ignorant and then flip it and tell us that you are the crazy one. Them call them people a narcissist, and believe it or not, people, it's a mental illness. Yeah, these people like to see when you suck up to them, when you have to depend on them. You understand? Yeah, them no want to see you like launch out and out there bloom on your own without them help. So you see, when you see these patterns or people like these, you know, say if you can't just up and take with yourself, take time and plan your way out. Peace.